Shiba Inu is going to see how well a shark sticks together. The Shiba Inu is a type of dog. The digital money based on memes that has shocked the world is at a crucial point. The right way based on the most recent information. Transport is trading at 804 and is about to hit a key competition level that could determine its immediate future. I'm Kai Cho, and I help people learn about money, investing, and personal accounting so they can improve their financial future. Be sure to tie the station down. If you think this movie might be helpful, click the like button. Shib's floor price is important because it is a key resistance point that has been both a help and a hindrance in the past. A quick look at the price chart shows that this level has been tried at least a few times in a clear move up or down. It could show where the next pattern for both will go. If Shib can break over this much resistance with a lot of volume, it could start another wave. Merchants and buyers might see this as a sign of unity, which would force them to buy the new highs or a higher level of help to keep an eye on them. On the other hand, if the ship can't break over this level and is turned down, it could fall a lot more. The need sell could become more stable, which would bring down the price of the higher levels of help. This could be a bad sign for boat owners because it could mean that the trend of going down will continue with a new circle. Even though prices are going up, dogs can still be changed. Change Award Shiba is grouped and gives the Shibarium Teslin another dog skin, making it easier for people to get around. This is a huge step forward. PubNet got 7 million new wallets in just 3 days, which is a huge increase. A quick look at how dog clothes makeover works. Simona's development team just put out a great new version of the pup skin, a dark pioneer made for the PUP.NET test group on Shibarium. The main goal of this redesign is to improve the customer experience for people who don't know the first thing about blocks. Voyager is a web crawler that lets users see blocks, places, and events on the blockchain. Examinant just picks away at the Shibarium testnet when it comes to children. This change was brought to the attention of the crypto local area by Lucy, a Shiba Inu trainer. This made people much more excited about the upcoming opening of the Siberian Cove to the public. Even though the Shibarium net was turned off for a short time so that more improvements could be made, the test gave us some very interesting numbers. The numbers for the doggy guys have gone through the roof, and both the number of wallet addresses and the number of exchanges are growing. This shows that more and more people are interested in the ship. A new business called Little Dog Net is happy to have 17 million wallets. Its goal is to give you better ideas. At the moment, this isn't just another. It shows how quickly it has grown. Since only 3 days ago, the number was around 10.4 million. This means that in a short amount of time, almost 7 million wallets were added. Also, the number of setups on the testnet has reached an incredible 36,787,365, which is a new record. As for how it works, the average block time, which is how long it takes to add another block or set of information to the blockchain, is only 6.8 seconds, and there are already more than 2.2 million blocks on the total assets. The network's filling in the endurance and energy about the Shibarium minutes move from its ongoing. How much time people spend on PuppyMet shows how they move from a more private to a more open state. And now, people are starting to find bomb tokens, which are important for the Shiba Inu area, in their pockets. Many people think that Shibarium's public comeback might not be too far away. Shiba Inu shows off the part called Shibarium. The next goal for shipping costs is a public delivery date for what the Shibarium engineers of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 answer haven't been able to raise shipping costs, which is making the market much more nervous. When it was made, the meme culture made people want to look into what happened when the Shiba Inu crossed the street. It quickly gained a huge number of fans, and now it competes with joke coins like Dogecoin. But in the world of digital money exchange, it's not the excitement of the local areas that stands out right now. Instead, it's a special indicator called the death cross, which appears when a coin's short-term moving average goes below its long-term moving average. It's called a passing cross. People often say that the market will drop sharply because of Shiba Inu, this kind of pattern. This happened when the 50-period moving average fell below the 200-period moving average. Mama. Still, it's important to know what's going on. Signs are really scary. They can sometimes be too far gone to turn back. That means that a lot of sales may have been made before this trend became clear. To be clear, Boat is selling for a small fraction of what it was worth at its peak in 2021. Its value has fallen a lot in recent years. Different market experts have different ideas about what this death cross means. Some people think the coin will stay low for a long time, while others say not to put too much stock in this one thing. As the Shib continues to trade around the 8,000 baht, the next move of the market and how it will be affected by this troubling trend are still to be written. Shibarium has a huge amount of hit potential. Its price hasn't caught up to that yet, and the group behind it is still very busy, as shown by the arrival of Shibarium, even though Shiba and the US are specialized problems. This Layer 2 scaling method was seen as a clear advantage that would speed up trades and lower fees that were too high. Still, Shibarium has gotten a lot of attention on transport since it was first seen on the mainnet. Still, it's hard to see what it's worth. Blockchain is based on the idea of growth, so when digital currencies show it off, they should bury a person who worked on a Shiba Inu and tried to catch a Soviet. However, technological improvements don't always lead to instant gains in the market. Digital currency market is so defenseless and hard to predict. The truth will surface at some point. If Shibarium helps, will bounce back, or then again, assuming other market influences will be equally affect its way, it should bury him prepares to open to general public realize that makes a few important explanations. Caldera as the highly awaited Shibarium gets ready to open again. The group that made Shiba Inu has given important details. Reports in the news say that it should bury him is going well in private mode and is only waiting for its public cabin. Clear things up. Traveler of Shebagan's explanation call said that the fact that the Siberian pilgrim's Shibarium skin is available doesn't change how the Shibarium network works. Even though Shibarium check isn't available, the organization is still running. And Carl said that anyone who wants to help him can use an open source version of Dark Scout that needs a lot of PC resources. Shibarium screens will soon be available online, according to plans. The designer told the Shiba Inu group not to worry any more than they had to about this temporary situation. People are making assumptions and making connections. People are eagerly waiting for official word on when Shibarium will be free for everyone to use. Shibarium coins can now be traded on the well-known decentralized finance application. Thank you for coming to see. Like the movie and subscribe to my feed. We'll talk again after the next movie.